Okie dokie. Today's lesson is doing it right the first time. We're 7 years into our build. Well, no, we finished 7 years ago. If we were 7 years into the build on the Skoolie, that would be a bummer. It took us 6 months to finish it. And then 7 years later, I thought I'd give you guys an update. I'm doing a bathroom remodel. And so I tore out, what we did was a cedar shower instead of tile. And you can see here, I just caulked the bejesus out of it. And there is no sign of mold or anything on the backside. I thought for sure it would be all moldy underneath this. And so I started tearing it out. And the caulk is kind of a bad look. Like, these seams are just, kind of ruins the natural cedary vibe. But I probably would have left it if I would have known it was in such good shape back there. But the main reason I tore into the bathroom was because the floor was getting squishy. And a squishy floor is not a good sign. So our flooring is this, it's like a Lux plank. And over the years it has separated different amounts in different places. But that's what we had in the bathroom. And here we are. And you can see, like, this is very soft. And so I just tore into this, and I went to get my camera because I thought this would be worth showing. So this is just a plywood floor. I painted it with Kills because I thought that would help, and it didn't. So over 7 years, the floor is completely rotted out. So I'm going to take the multi-tool, cut it out, and we're going to put concrete board down, which is what you're supposed to do. I don't know why I didn't think it would rot out. I was just really hoping the paint would work. But it just, you know, it goes right in these little cracks, and the water gets on the plywood, and then where does it go? Nowhere. It's got metal underneath. But this floor, I painted with like a really heavy-duty metal paint. And that paint is still there, and it doesn't look like there's any rusting on the floor. But I'm going to pull this plywood out today, let it air out.